In this video, we discuss development involving the International Criminal Court or ICC. On February 7, 2025, United States President Donald Trump signed an executive order imposing sanctions on the ICC. This action follows accusations that the court is unfairly targeting the United States and its ally Israel. The executive order places financial and visa restrictions on individuals who assist in ICC investigations of American citizens or US allies. This decision was made during a visit from Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to Washington. The timing is crucial as it follows the ICC's issuance of an arrest warrant for Netanyahu over alleged war crimes in Gaza. In addition to Netanyahu, the ICC also issued a warrant for a commander from Hamas. The ICC's actions are seen as a direct response to Israel's military operations in Gaza, which were triggered by Hamas' attack on October 7, 2023. The ICC accused Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant of war crimes and crimes against humanity. It is important to note that the United States is not a member of the ICC. The US argues that the court is unfairly equating the actions of Israel with those of Hamas, which the United States designates as a terrorist organization. This situation has drawn bipartisan criticism in the US Congress. Former President Joe Biden previously condemned the ICC's decision regarding Netanyahu, and both Democrats and Republicans have voiced their opposition. Recently, the US House of Representatives passed a bill aimed at sanctioning the ICC, but the bill was blocked in the Senate. This is not the first time the US has taken action against the ICC. In 2020, President Trump imposed sanctions on ICC officials during an investigation into alleged war crimes by US forces in Afghanistan. Those sanctions were later lifted by Biden. To understand the ICC better, it is a global tribunal established in 2002 in The Hague. The court was created to prosecute individuals accused of genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. It emerged in response to atrocities witnessed in Yugoslavia and Rwanda, aiming to ensure accountability for severe international crimes. Currently, the ICC has 124 member countries that have accepted its jurisdiction. However, several major nations, including the United States, Israel, China, Pakistan, Russia, and Turkey, are not members. Some of these countries, like Israel and Russia, initially signed the treaty but later withdrew or never ratified it. The ICC's power is limited. It does not have its own police force and must rely on member countries to carry out arrests. While it can issue arrest warrants, it cannot enforce them directly. If a suspect travels to a member country, they can be arrested and sent to The Hague for trial. However, non-member countries such as the United States and Israel are not legally obligated to cooperate with the ICC. In recent years, the ICC has sanctioned other high-profile individuals. For instance, an arrest warrant was issued for Russian President Putin, accusing him of war crimes related to the deportation of Ukrainian children. Other notable figures include Sudan's former President Omar al-Bashir, charged with genocide, and former Libyan leader Muammar Gaddafi, accused of crimes against humanity. The ICC faces challenges in enforcing its orders. Many powerful nations, including the United States, China, and Russia, do not recognize its authority. This lack of recognition complicates efforts to arrest high-profile individuals. Even among member states, political considerations often influence compliance with ICC rulings. In this way, the ICC remains a court with considerable symbolic authority but limited practical influence. Its effectiveness is often hampered by the opposition of major global players, which raises questions about its future role in international justice.